Hey everybody, Don Dabney, Left Coast Classics. I think I'm the biggest Jaguar fanatic in the world, if not one of them. I've got a couple myself, so I always get super excited when I get anything vintage Jaguar, and definitely a Series 1 3.8 E-Type, the end all. This car is cream on red. It was finished in these colors brand new, so it's been restored to factory spec. This car was kind of cool because it was distributed from Madrid, Spain. Left-hand drive car, obviously, built on October of 1963. And it's beautifully, beautifully restored. It looks like it's all right to factory spec. Obviously, I'm going to have more information in the description. There's going to be a ton of photos, video under the car, in the engine compartment, all the engine number, everything's going to be there. So check it all out. It's got a Heritage Trust certificate on it. And it's just a joy to drive this car. Oil pressure is nice and high. Car's running cool in 80 plus degrees today after an hour and a half out photographing it and driving it. Fuel gauge work, amp gauge works. Just everything's pretty much working in the car. Let's take a spin so you can hear it running. All right, here we go. I love the red leather interior. My favorite color interior in a Jaguar. I have a 63 Mark II 3.8 that my dad bought for my mom when I was 9 years old, and we still have this car 46, 47 years later, so that's kind of cool. I think that's where the Jag infection came from. My brothers have British cars too. Just always kind of been our thing. When you look at my inventory, I do a really broad range of stuff, but there's definitely a special place for me with the English cars, and if that's all I had in my inventory, that would be cool with me. Just zips right up to 65, 70 miles an hour with no issue. Everything on it just feels fresh and new, or relatively new. My understanding, the build was done just a few years ago, something like 4, 5, 6 years, somewhere in that window. I'll try to nail that down. And the guy drove the car a little bit, you know, maybe a few hundred or a few short thousand miles. I think probably driven under 5,000 miles. It doesn't look like it's been driven very far, but it seems very sorted and in good working order. All right, so we're taking you underneath. Do make a note here, we have new exhaust mount ordered for that, so that'll be installed. Otherwise, beautiful undercarriage, completely restored. Not much use since it's been completed. You can see everything was nicely refinished under the car during its restoration. So that's it for now. Be sure you check out all the other photos and all the details on the car. It's a really nice car. Happy to have it arranged to have a pre-purchase inspection if you need anything like that. And also remember to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Check out my website at leftcoastclassics.com. We keep all our sold archives up there, and you can see some just great Jaguars we've sold over the years. Anyway, thanks for checking it out.